Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable text-to-speech with AISpeak on OnePlus. If you have a OnePlus tablet or OnePlus phone, you can enable AISpeak, which is basically just text-to-speech, and it works in some supported apps like Google Chrome, Google News, but also some non-Google apps. There's not a full list of all apps supported, so I can't really list which ones are, but in a moment you'll find out how to check if an app you're using does support the AISpeak. So first let's begin with the smart bar. For AISpeak you'll need to have a smart bar enabled. By default it is. This is this bar on the side that you can slide to the center and it'll open some useful tools. If you don't have this bar, go to the settings, then accessibility and convenience, smart sidebar. Make sure it is enabled. You can also adjust the floating bar. This is the floating bar. When the smart bar is closed, this is the little bar displayed on the side, and you can customize it so you can see it better, or to auto hide it, or to disable auto hide. Then also smart functions need to be enabled. Now, once we have that, if you go, for example, to a website, but of course it can be anything else at all, if the app is supported. So let's say it's like news, as I said, or something like that, then you can of course read it. There's not too much to read here, but if I open news, then probably I'll see some reading. Yeah, and if I slide the smart bar, smart functions have appeared: AI summary and AISpeak. Let's open AISpeak.
Jake White leaves Bulls with immediate effect. Jake White leaves Bulls with immediate. Jake White.
You can see it starts reading all the text. There's like everything. Sometimes it works a bit better because it categorizes the paragraphs, but maybe it's the website's fault. I don't really know that. Here it didn't categorize it, but most probably you will be able to simply rewind between different paragraphs. You can replay them, you can change the speed, and also change the voice to male or female. And once you close it, it still plays until you click on X on this floating symbol. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.